Hey, it's Michael Saul with the Stock Market Trading Watch List for Tuesday, October 4th, 2011. It's going to be a quick video tonight. We're going to go over the indexes and just a couple of stocks to maybe focus on some levels here. The blog has the SPY video. This is the S&P Cash broke to a new low. Okay, now 1066.41 is the next support number on the downside. That has to be watched for potential support. And then below that, you got 1021.71, which would be a nice push from there. The NASDAQ 100, as soon as I get this back, okay, NASDAQ 100 broke below the 78.6% retracement of the last swing up, which suggests that it will also hit a new low. Now, I've been talking about us being in a bear market for a while, so I would have expected this low to be taken out anyway, or at least tagged. But now, it suggests it's going to be tagged sooner than later. So, the Russell hit a new low. Okay, and we can watch for... okay, let's see. We can watch for next support down here at the 585 area. All right, and the Dow did not hit a new low, but it did hit a new closing low. Okay, so it didn't hit a new low off of the last push down, which is down here, but it closed at a new closing low. So I've been talking about the bear market, and I think it's going to be an oozing, painful one. Okay, I don't think it's going to be a big crash, get it over with, and then we recover. So a lot of people are sitting here waiting for a crash. I think we have a better chance of pushing down, maybe tagging some support, and then getting a bounce. I don't think we're going to rally. I don't think we're going to have... I don't think we're going to move rather into a new bull market. Okay, I don't think it's just, you know, get out of the way, the bulls are going to trample everybody. No, I think we're going to be in a bear market for a little bit of time here, and I think that it's going to last a lot longer than people are expecting it to. So, with that being said, what is the trading plan here? Well, just because I think that we're going to push down and hold support underneath these levels doesn't mean it's going to happen. So if you can't trade intraday, I mean, you're not just going to be able to throw some support levels against the wall and hope they stick. You're going to have to look for a reversal candle and then look to get in a day or after a couple of days later, whatever you're looking to do, if that's what you choose to do. All right, if you're just standing on the sideline and waiting for the bear to play itself out, you know, that's a position also. Now, for intraday traders, you could watch for patterns to set up on the 60-minute chart, the 15-minute chart, even down to the 5-minute chart. When these support levels get tested, you know, how do we act there? You know, I like to say I like to lean against support, right, or resistance, and hopefully not topple it over. But I like to, you know, use these levels, look for a pattern, and then you know when you're wrong a lot quicker than if you're just taking stabs at levels. Because, oh, it broke through this level, and maybe it's going down to the next level, so let's wait a little more, and maybe it's going down. Well, you know, if you have a pattern, at least you know when that pattern is violated, it's time to move on. Okay, so that's the Dow. Semiconductors. All right, looks like they want a new low. Banks just... I mean, the financials are just in a lot of trouble, under a lot of pressure. Okay, new low there. Brokers. Okay, same kind of deal. All right, sorry for the big delay in the charts lighting up here. See the brokers rather, new lows. Here's Goldman Sachs just, you know, getting hit still. I mean, it is the leading broker, basically, leading broker dealer, no matter what anybody tells you, right? So below here, I mean, this could see 75s in short order if we get some acceleration. If not, it could grind down there. Here's Bank of America. I mean, headed down for levels not seen since '09. Okay, we're already at those levels here, but too big to fail. I don't know. Something to definitely pay attention to here. JP Morgan. Okay, another one. All right, just not looking so hot. All right, let's look at gold. Gold, silver, oil. Okay, the dollar was up. That's going to weigh on the commodities for the most part. Gold was actually up a little bit, though. And silver up a little bit as well. Still looks bearish here. Oil. Okay, we're looking at the USO and the OIL, but they're both the same. Basically, you can see lost 3% here in USO. Not nice. Here's the OIH. This is the oil services holders. I mean, broke 100 for the first time. Let's see. This time we were below 100. Was back here at what is this? September of last year, so about a year ago. Let's see if some of these stocks are going to continue to get hit here. Exxon down 2.3%. Okay, ConocoPhillips. Some of these take a while. There you go. Headed for those lows. HES. Wow, this is taking a long time with the data. I apologize. I'm going to wrap this up soon anyway. Hess below 50. Look at some of the glamour stocks. Apple. All right. And somebody asked me today, why are you looking at S&P charts and why do you have Apple next to it? Because Apple's one of the leaders, and I always like to know what it's doing. Tested the 89 and held. Below that, though, next moving average is down here at the 200-day moving average. But this is one that if we get a bounce, especially in tech, be watching that. Amazon. Okay, another one. 50-day moving average is tested. There's the 89 below it. Then there's this gap here at 199.72. All right. Price line. Okay, wants to test these lows. Let's see what happens there. Netflix. People still, one of the most popular stocks that people write in is still Netflix. I guess because of how bad it was beaten down here. Looks like it's pulling back, but I think this breaks 100. Right, the lows are 107. I think this 107s. I think this breaks 100. All right, and that's all I'm going to look at for now. Just a couple of stocks. I'm really more focused on the index action. And if I'm wrong and we crash or we start a new leg down, that's the reason why you just can't throw support levels up and go, okay, I'm buying here. It doesn't make any sense. Got to use an intraday chart, or you got to wait for reversal candle, reversal pattern to set up on the daily chart, and then look to lean against that. All right. So that's it. I will talk to everybody again on Wednesday. Have a great trading day on Tuesday, and stay safe. The volatility's kicking up here.